In today's fast-paced digital world, email marketing continues to be a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience and drive success. However, as technology evolves and consumer behavior shifts, it is crucial for marketers to stay ahead of the curve and adapt their strategies accordingly. To help you unlock success in 2023, let's explore the top 5 email marketing trends that you simply can't afford to ignore. Personalization. Creating meaningful connections. One of the most significant trends shaping email marketing is personalization. Gone are the days of generic mass emails that end up in spam folders or go unnoticed by recipients. In 2023, consumers expect personalized experiences that resonate with them on a deeper level. To achieve this level of personalization, leverage data-driven insights about your audience's preferences, behaviors, and demographics. Utilize dynamic content within your emails to tailor messages based on individual interests and past interactions. By making each recipient feel seen and understood through personalized content recommendations or exclusive offers tailored specifically for them, you can forge meaningful connections that drive engagement and conversions. Interactive emails. Engaging your audience. Static emails are becoming stale. Interactive emails are taking center stage. These immersive experiences captivate recipients' attention by inviting them to actively engage with your brand right from their inbox. Consider incorporating elements such as quizzes, surveys, polls, or even gamification into your email campaigns. This not only boosts engagement but also provides valuable insights about your audience's preferences while creating a memorable experience they won't forget easily. Mobile optimization. Reaching on-the-go consumers. With smartphones being an integral part of our lives today more than ever before, optimizing your email campaigns for mobile devices is no longer optional. It's essential. Statistics show that over half of all emails are opened on mobile devices. Hence, it is crucial to ensure that your emails are mobile-friendly, with responsive design and easy-to-read content. By catering to the needs of on-the-go consumers, you can enhance their user experience and increase the chances of conversion. AI-powered automation. Streamlining your campaigns. Automation has revolutionized email marketing by enabling marketers to deliver personalized and timely messages at scale. In 2023, artificial intelligence, AI, will play a pivotal role in taking automation to new heights. Leverage AI-powered tools to segment your audience based on various criteria such as purchase history or browsing behavior. This allows you to send highly targeted emails that resonate with each segment's specific interests and needs. Furthermore, AI can help optimize send times based on individual recipient behavior patterns for maximum impact. By automating repetitive tasks and harnessing the power of AI-driven insights, you can streamline your email campaigns while delivering relevant content when it matters most. Privacy and data protection. Building trust. As data privacy concerns grow among consumers worldwide, building trust through transparent data practices becomes paramount for successful email marketing in 2023. Ensure compliance with privacy regulations such as GDPR or CCPA by obtaining explicit consent from subscribers before collecting their data. Clearly communicate how their information will be used and provide options for them to control their preferences easily. By prioritizing transparency and respecting your audience's privacy rights, you not only build trust but also foster long-term relationships that drive loyalty and advocacy. In conclusion, unlocking success in 2023 requires staying ahead of the curve in email marketing trends. Personalization, interactive emails, mobile optimization, AI-powered automation, and privacy protection are key areas where businesses should focus their efforts this year. By embracing these trends strategically within your email campaigns, you can create meaningful connections with recipients, boost engagement levels, reach consumers on the go effectively, streamline operations through automation, and build trust through transparent data practices. Remember, the email marketing landscape is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to adapt and stay up to date with emerging trends to unlock success in the ever-changing digital world.